To get started with the Railing Designer demo, select one of the items from the tool panel at the left side of the screen. Choose Level Rail to create a railing on a flat surface. Click anywhere on the canvas to start a railing run, and click again to draw a railing run between those 2 points. Continue clicking on additional points to continue your design. Click the Place button to complete this railing collection, or cancel if you need to start over. You can also use the Return or Escape keys. Choose the Stair Rail to create sloped railings for staircases. Once you've added some railings, you'll see some options appear in the Properties panel on the right side of the screen. These allow you to designate the railing height, as well as choosing between some different options for railing types. At the top of the screen, you'll see the estimated price. This estimate will be based on rules defined by the manufacturer. However, for this demo, prices displayed are just estimates and don't include installation labor. Notice that as you add railings to the design or change properties about existing railings, the estimated price automatically recalculates. Clicking the info icon next to the estimated price will bring up an itemized price list. Make sure to click the cube icon to check out your design in 3D view. Use your mouse controls to pan and zoom throughout the model. Clicking the cube icon again will return to the canvas where you can continue to edit your design. Happy designing!